Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile. You can change your club. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile, you can change your club. You should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page here, you will enter to this window of FIFA Mobile app. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone and you will return to turn on your phone again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.